Happy Monday, beauties. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another clean with me, giving you guys some major Monday motivation. And when I say major, I mean major. This room is a disaster. Tank spilled Legos all over the floor. This has been happening for the last 3 days, and at this point it was time to get rid of them. So yes, I was the bad mom. I threw them all away. Also, I'm going to be shampooing the carpets upstairs and then scrubbing down some walls down the hallway stairs, because from the kids touching them and they're just dirty and sticky and they need a good scrub down. And then cleaning the rest of the house. So this will be a whole house clean with me. Definitely giving you guys tons of cleaning motivation to get up and get your week started and get your house cleaned. If you're joining for the first time, I would love it if you would consider subscribing and joining my family. I have some playlists set up, so sit back, get a drink, and enjoy. I also wanted to let you guys know that I now officially have an Amazon store. So any products or equipment I'm going to use in this video, I will have my Amazon store linked down below. I've been getting a lot of questions about my mop and my vacuum. So all of that will be listed on my Amazon store for you guys if you're interested in any of these items. I just wanted to let you guys know I've been a little slow moving on getting that all set up, but now I do pretty much have all of my favorite products and all of that listed in there.
Don't know what we have to do, but someone's gotta change. You got issues that makes you a fuss, but someone's gotta change. If we never ever met before, if I never opened up my door, yeah, 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 yeah. If we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, yeah, 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 yeah.
is just all out of whack, you guys. As you know, we transitioned the boys all into one room, and Ellie was originally sleeping in there, hence why her bed is in here now. I've just been trying to figure out what to do with this room and how to make it girly. Since it has the wood paneling walls, it kind of makes it suck, and it seems more so it probably would have suited a boy better, but this room's just way too small for all three of the boys, and the bunk beds definitely weren't fitted in here. So I got the curtains on clearance at Walmart. I thought they were super pretty color. I'm just unsure of what I'm going to do as far as bedding. We're kind of up in there if we're going to buy her a twin size bed or just let her have this full size bed that we were planning to just use as a guest bed, but that hasn't happened yet. Give me some ideas on what color scheme. If you guys are liking the teals, I was thinking maybe some pinks with the teals. I thought that would be pretty. I'm just like stuck, and it's a slow process because decorating a room is not cheap. So we're just trying to take it little by little, but I just need some ideas, guys.
Sitting thinking in my car, I don't know what we should do. Do you? Do you? You think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow. Work things out.
This is another easy way that I clean my walls. I just get some hot soapy water mixed with a little bleach, and then I just use this mop and I scrub away. It definitely saves my back. So if you guys are just looking for an easier way to clean your walls without straining and hurting yourself, definitely try the mop trick.
Get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, Do you know you better? Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down before I'm too invested? You should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel. I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. crazy. Oh, I just want you now. spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Say something meaningful. Say something I don't know.